Hi guys, today we're reading passage 414. It's called Wilbur and Orville Wright, the Flying Brothers. Wilbur and Orville Wright were the first people to fly an airplane. The brothers lived in Dayton, Ohio. They built bicycles for a living. Wilbur and Orville loved to design and invent new bicycles. The brothers opened their own bike shop in 1892. As young boys, the brothers received a flying toy from their father. They became fascinated by the idea of flying. Wilbur spent his spare time reading many books about flying. He thought human flight was possible. Soon, the brothers began to build gliders as well as bicycles. Gliders are a type of plane with no engine. The Wright brothers built 3 gliders in all. With each new glider, they learned more and more about flying. They collected data on wing design. Some of the data tables they created are still used today. In 1903, Wilbur and Orville Wright built an airplane. This airplane was different from their gliders. This airplane had an engine to power it. They named this airplane the Flyer. The first flight of an airplane was made on December 17, 1903. It took place near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. With Orville as the pilot, the plane flew 120 feet. The first flight lasted only 12 seconds. The brothers continued to make flights with their airplanes. Each time, they flew a longer time. Their fourth flight lasted 59 seconds. It flew for almost half a mile. The Wright brothers' invention changed the world. For the first time, people had access to places they had never before been able to go. They could meet people in faraway places. The age of globalization began. With air travel, people of different cultures could come together. They could share ideas and values with one another.